Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today, we will be drawing a portrait of Marvel's villain, the Red Skull. So, if you have your pencil ready, we will go about this quick few minutes. Let us first outline the dome with this oval. So I'm showing him looking necessarily to this side. Let's draw a line right there so that we can use that as the guideline for the nose. This is where the brow and the eyes will be. The bony nose somewhere around here, mouth somewhere around here. And there we will have, that is the groundwork. And then, so there are different variations, but the first thing that comes to mind is skull. So there are different versions in the sense that there are some that portray him more bony and closer to being skull-like, but our idea is to keep something between the two mediums there. So his nose is, I guess, the simplest aspect, just like so. And the other things that do stand out are the, most definitely in every version, the very bony cheeks. Then from here on, it's a mixed kind of bag, but so again we will choose to go with the very generic version. Where the lips are almost intact, and then you have the eyes right there. And you could keep on adding as many details as you like from this point onward. And some details for the eyes right there, and is one of the more, in my estimate, one of the more easier characters to do. There's the jawline. And then ear, that is, some artists also depict an ear, but we are going to just do something like that. And then of course he has that trench coat, that military fatigues. So I want to fix this up a little bit, come in a little further down, erase that from there, because after all we made this line, we have to keep everything consistent with it. And then it's all really a matter of where the light and the shade is cast. Let's say that there's a light source coming directly from above. I think it's more characteristic to fill in the shadows like that, so that I forgot about this portion here. So we are essentially putting in this quick exercise. Of course, if you take your time in doing this, you will most definitely incorporate more details into Red Skull here. But since this is a quick sketch, and essentially it is a few minutes, we are going to quickly do that. And of course you could take this in many different directions from here on. You could keep on adding more details as you move along. These inks that I'm adding, they are just one certain idea of giving more detail to that dried up and bony portrait. Sometimes you will notice that when you're doing certain characters, just the smallest of details actually give them that distinction. So in the case of the Red Skull, again we will just reiterate, depending on which version you like or which version you would like to portray, if you choose to go with a sketch. The most prominent features, once again, are, so I'm just going to flush that out like that quickly to make it a little more cleaner. And there we have it. So the brows, the cheeks, and that nose, those are his primary features. The rest is of course game to what your own imagination is. So thank you very much for being with us. Please do Google some images and put in some different versions of this guy. He has been a mainstay character in the Captain America line of stories. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.